Hey everyone, Sunil here from Clean and Exterior Clean Melbourne. We're cleaning panels. These are really filthy. I hope you can see all the lichen and the moss that's been stuck on these. Have a look at the debris that is all along here, all along the edge of my blade that I'm cleaning these panels with. Look at this, and you tell me that panels are self-cleaning. You can see it down here on the tiles right through there. I mean, it's just unbelievable. So I'm kind of debunking this myth that's often on the internet around panels being self-cleaning. And you go, well, I don't know where they got this idea from, but panels are basically exposed to the elements the whole year round. And if you think they're going to self-clean themselves, I don't know what kind of technology that would do that. But from my experience, panels are absolutely required to be cleaned. And if you're going to invest thousands of dollars, which most people do, and then you're going to complain about spending a few hundred, sometimes less than $200 to actually maintain them, then I would say I don't really understand you. Never mind, that's okay. As you can see here, these panels are now coming up really good. So when we clean them, we use a pure water that we have access to because we purify the water. So our vans hold 1,000 litres of pure water, and we pump that water out from the van through this hose that you're seeing now and onto the panels. So there is absolutely zero impurity in this water, which is why it's even better to clean it with deionized water, otherwise known as. It is also really important to maintain the panels from a perspective of you don't want lichen growing on it like these panels have had, because that will start to obstruct the absorption on the panels. Because as you can see, it was growing right onto these bottom tier of panels, and you can see here, even with me scraping off the lichen, there's still this residual dirt, which I'm going to now take off with a scraper. So panels absolutely require maintenance. How much is dependent on where you live, and for example, if you have a large gum tree like this, you might need to do it at a minimum of once a year. The smartest thing, as you can see here, even look here when I'm scraping this, all this black, this is all mold. That's all mold that's coming off the panel. So you want to maintain them to maintain the energy absorption, and that's really important. And if you have access to your inverter, you should, these days a lot of the details and the data is all online, so it's all available through applications on your phone or through the web, and you should be able to see very clearly how much your panels are absorbing, and then you should be able to compare it to whatever the absorption was last year. As a broad scale comparison, you should be able to see whether there's a diminishing return in the actual energy that's being created, in which case I would suggest the first thing to do would be to get the panels cleaned and then monitor the energy absorption from there. So we can help you with that. So look, I hope that's been informative to you, and just think about it in the big picture. Most people will spend somewhere between $5,000 to $10,000 to $15,000 to install solar on their roofs with the idea that they want to save money. So don't scrimp on a few $100s here and there to maintain your panels. Give us a call. We'll give you a quote, a no obligation quote, and see if you're happy to go ahead. I hope this video has been useful, and stay in touch. Thanks for watching.